Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Romi Andika Jaya with name 1870338. Okay guys, we'll checking your oil. Have you ever wondered what's under that engine cover? What do they do? Underneath those beautiful engine cover lies a wonderful piece of engineering. The modern day automotive engine is capable of some wonderful feats. Let's pull back the cover and take a look at some of the most common parts that reside in our vehicle's engine base to engine block. The engine block is the backbone of the car engine. It provides a housing that contains the piston, crankshaft, and sometimes the crankshaft. Not only does the engine block house its items, it also contains a variety of machine surface. Holes that are machined in the block are known as cylinders. Commonly, an engine can contain anywhere from 4 to 16 cylinders, depending on size. An engine block can be configured in a multitude of ways. An inline engine has, as you can imagine, cylinders located in a line. A V engine holds the cylinders in a V configuration similar to the letter that bears its name. 1. Piston. Pistons are what transfer the energy that is created during the combustion cycle and transmits it to the crankshaft. This energy transfer, simply put, is what effectively propels our vehicles. Piston contain piston ring that ensure proper sealing as well as oil control. Piston on many modern vehicles also are coated in a material that prevents friction, allowing the piston to last longer. Piston travel up and down in the cylinder twice during each revolution of the crankshaft. This means an engine rotating at 2500 rpm. The piston are traveling up and down 5000 times per minute. 2. Crankshaft. The crankshaft rests in the lower section of the engine block and writes it in what is called crankshaft journals. The crankshaft is a finely machined and balanced component that is connected to the piston through what is known as a connecting rod. The crankshaft takes the up and down movement of the piston and converts it to rotary motion or reciprocal motion. The crankshaft rotates an engine speed. 3. Camshaft. Depending on the style engine, the camshaft can be located either in the block or in the cylinder's head. When the camshaft is located in the engine block, it is known as a cam-in-block engine. However, most modern engines have the camshaft located in the cylinder head. These modern engines are known as dual overhead camshaft or single overhead camshaft. The main job of the camshaft is to take the rotary motion of an engine and convert it to up and down movement. This up and down movement controls the movement of the lifter, which in turn move the post rod, rocker, and valve. The camshaft is supported by a series of bearings that are lubricated in oil to ensure long engine life. The last, cylinder head. While the above component might be considered the heavy lifter in the car engine, the cylinder head is much more precise. The cylinder head contains many items: valve spring, valve, lifter, pushrod, rocker, and sometimes even camshaft. The cylinder head also controls passage that allow flow of intake air into the cylinder during the intake stroke, as well as exhaust passage that allow the removal of exhaust gases during the exhaust stroke. The cylinder head is attached to the engine through what is called cylinder head bolt. The area filled between the two is filled with a head gasket. Can be a common sort of engine issue. The above components are the main components of a car engine. The car engine also contains many other parts. A series of fasteners holds all components together. Bearing and oil drop out. The engine prevent premature wear, and timing chains ensure all components function together at the correct time. Okay guys, thank you for watching.